This is the Hustler's Corner.
Welcome to another exciting episode of Welcome to Crypto. This is Buddha. I'm already calling it in episodes. 10 crypto terms you need to know. First of all, let's go straight to that chop sign on the count of 1, 2, 3. Let's click it. Boom, 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 boom. As my mentor would say, smash that like button. And then let's go over there to that subscribe button. Click. Thank you very much, guys. Now, when I started out with crypto, and I'm still new, and the first disclaimer I'd like to throw out there is that I'm not a financial advisor. I am not a financial expert. I'm not going to tell you what to do with your money. And that is exactly why I started this channel, to encourage you to educate yourself and inform yourself. So I started learning about how important it is to understand the language. You see, the reason why a lot of people don't understand a lot of things is because they don't understand the language. And the language is the most important thing that I'd like to encourage you to go and learn. Because once you understand the language, then it's easier for you to then start learning and start communicating. And don't be intimidated by the big words. Because a lot of people start getting intimidated by big words and they start backing off, or they just feel this is not for me. Maybe it's just for too intelligent people. I also used to feel the same about money. You know, I'd be intimidated by the newspaper, the Financial Mail, or Business Day, up until I started getting older and I started having more and more passion into entrepreneurship. It's the same thing with crypto. Just throw yourself in the deep end. Just learn as you go. Listen to as many podcasts as you can. Read articles from reputable platforms. Follow some people that you think can give you good content as far as digital currency is concerned. Because other people are just bullshitters, you know? And other people are just going to waste your time. So that's why I always say learn from reputable platforms. We're here to encourage you to learn. It's all about education. Learn, learn, learn. That's all I'm asking. Because I know the more informed you are, the better you do. That's why I started this channel, to encourage you Mtanseka to learn. So for you to learn and understand this space, you're going to hear these words quite a lot. That's why I thought, let me do this video in this episode. So you need to understand 10 crypto terms you need to know. Once you get it, by the way, where is this article coming from? Fool.com. That's where the article is from. Once you get a handle on the terminology, it may be easier to understand how cryptocurrency works. With so much going on in the world, it's easy to wonder if cryptocurrency feels like too steep a learning curve. A lot of the confusion with crypto is most likely due to the use of the words that many of us have never heard. Here we seek to describe some of the most commonly used cryptocurrency terms. That way, you're starting out and want a foundation upon which to build. You have a basic glossary under your belt. First up is the address. I think other people in other countries call it the address. In South Africa, we call it the address, you know, the address. That's the first word. And as they're saying here on this article on Fool.com, an address refers to a specific destination on the network where the cryptocurrency is sent. It's like a bank account that holds only cryptocurrency. Each address is used once, and it is intended to offer a unique, highly secure place to hold crypto assets. Each address consists of a unique set of alphanumeric characters. Once cryptocurrency has been sent from one party to another, the recipient uses that precise set of alphanumeric characters to prove that the cryptocurrency belongs to them and to receive the transaction. That was the address. Number 2, the most common word that you'll hear quite a lot, Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a digital payment system that allows secure peer-to-peer transaction. Straightforward. Find the best stockbroker for you amongst, let me not even say stockbroker, let me stop. And this is what the article is saying here on the sentence, but I'm trying to skip it. Why? Because my main aim to start this channel is to give the responsibility to you, is to inspire you, is to encourage you, is to drive you to go do the work and seek knowledge yourself. Don't give that responsibility to any other person or any professional out there. Quickly, unlike any other payment methods like Venmo or PayPal that rely on traditional banking systems, Bitcoin is decentralized. What does decentralized mean? Decentralized means it is not centralized. It is not controlled by any federal government or reserve bank, or it's controlled from one place. It is decentralized. It is all over. And it happens on the blockchain technology. And everybody on that ledger or the nodes, on that encryption, the information is encrypted, but the information is, everybody gets informed who is a part of that community or is a part of, who owns a Bitcoin of all the transactions. And there'll only be 21 million Bitcoins mined, which gives it value, right? Currently, apparently, and this is just apparent, allegedly, there's been about 90% of Bitcoin that has been mined. And that's why it gives it so much value. Anyway, the market keeps going up and down. It is decentralized. And what does this mean? It is that any two people located anywhere in the world can change digital funds. It also means that each transaction is locked on a blockchain, much like a bank ledger, as I was saying, and it is distributed across the entire network of cryptocurrency users. This distribution protects transactions by making each and every one of them transparent. It also cuts out third parties like banks, companies, and countries. No one controls the Bitcoin network other than the participants. And because it isn't necessary to purchase an entire Bitcoin, anyone can become part of the network by buying a fraction of the coin. When I started out, I thought I needed to have that amount of money to afford one Bitcoin. I was like, yo, how am I going to afford one Bitcoin for that much? And then I started learning, actually, you can purchase a fraction of it. You can purchase $10 worth of Bitcoin, $100 of worth of Bitcoin. It's just totally up to you. Third word, blockchain. Rather than being managed centrally, like a central bank that manages the US currency, cryptocurrency is managed by a global peer-to-peer network. Blockchain refers to the digital ledger used to store all cryptocurrency transactions. According to Block Geeks, the best way to understand blockchain is to imagine a spreadsheet that is duplicated thousands of times and sent to a network of different computers. All cryptocurrency transactions that can take place are shared and continually reconciled. That means that there is no centralized database that a hacker can corrupt, and all records are public. Number 4, the word cryptocurrency. The word cryptocurrency refers to the digital or virtual money. It exists solely in electronic form and cannot be carried around like a dollar bill or coins. Think of it this way. Crypto refers to a data encryption. Currency is a medium of exchange, just like dollars, pounds, and euros. Like the typical money we're accustomed to, like rands. Cryptocurrency can be exchanged for goods and services. One primary difference is that cryptocurrency is encrypted to ensure that each transaction is secure. Examples of cryptocurrency include Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin. Number 5, fiat. You'll hear that word quite a lot. We're not talking about the car here. Fiat currency is government-backed, but not backed by an asset like gold. In the US, the dollars we carry are fiat currency, or the dollars they carry, because I'm South African. Their value is based solely upon our belief that the US government can back them. And we all know we'll all know more about that. Number 6, gas. Yeah, like GAS, gas. The gas price is the fee you pay to make a transaction on the blockchain. It covers the cost of paying a miner to search out and receive crypto on your behalf. The size of the fee is based on how quickly you want the transaction to be completed. Mining, number 7, the 7th word which you need to know if you're going to be in this space. Mining is the process used when new Bitcoins are entered into circulation. This process requires powerful computers that can solve mathematical puzzles and are able to create a new block on the blockchain. It also involves adding new safety measures to protect the transaction. The very same mining that you thought it was, the real actual mining, yes, that's what it is. There's also mining in cryptocurrency. All right, let's continue. Number 8, you'll hear this word quite a lot, Satoshi Nakamoto. We don't know if Satoshi Nakamoto was one person. We don't know if he was female, he was male. We don't know if Satoshi Nakamoto belonged to the LGBTQI community. We don't know if Nakamoto was a bad guy. We don't know if Nakamoto was a group of people. We don't know if Nakamoto was Russian or they were Russian, or we don't even know Nakamoto was like a group of 10 Africans, 100 Americans, 3 Russians. We don't know even if it's just that one person. We don't even know their real name is Satoshi Nakamoto. All we know is that Satoshi Nakamoto's invention works. And we thank him. Thank you, Satoshi Nakamoto. So you'll hear that word quite a lot. That's number 8. No one outside the inventor or inventors knows who is responsible for inventing Bitcoin. Satoshi Nakamoto is the pseudonym used to refer to the inventor. So you'll hear that word quite a lot. But a lot of people refer to Satoshi Nakamoto as one person. So you'll hear it quite a lot. Don't think like they know him. But that word is just thrown around the industry quite a lot. That's what I've just learned because I'm also new in this thing. So number 9, wallet. What is a wallet? Exactly what it is, what you think it is. But in these terms, a crypto wallet is where all cryptocurrency coins are stored. The purpose of a wallet is to protect your digital currency. Security is so tight that you lose all access to your cryptocurrency if you ever lose or forget your password. The entire point of cryptocurrency is security without centralization, according to Slate. The only way to provide that security is to make individual users responsible for their passwords. There are 2 main types of crypto wallets: hot and cold. A hot wallet is connected to the internet. It makes online trades convenient, but is far less secure than a cold wallet. A cold wallet is more like a safe, kept offline in a secure spot that only you can access. It's less convenient than a hot wallet when it comes time to make purchases or trades, but infinitely more secure because it's off the internet, it's off the grid. You've locked it, you can go hide it somewhere, nobody can get to it. That's a cold wallet. So I'm learning these things as well as we go. The 10th word that you're going to hear quite a lot, especially if you follow the market daily like I do, is whale. What is a whale? A whale is exactly what the word says, like a big fish in the sea. Those who buy Bitcoins in billions or in tens of millions or in hundreds of millions. The companies or the multinationals or the big rich boys, the big rich sisters, girls, like all those big people with the big monies who buy crypto in like flipping millions and billions. Those are whales. So you'll hear that word quite a lot in this industry. The most valuable cryptocurrency addresses are referred to as whales. Whale is an investor or a group of investors powerful enough to influence the value of a coin. Let's say a group of whales gets together and decides to sell their Bitcoin at the same time. Naturally, the value of the coins would fall immediately following the mass sell-off. The whales could then take their profits and buy up more coins at a bargain basement price. Anyone can become a whale, although whales are typically large hedge and investment funds. So I didn't even understand that part, that actually anyone can become a whale. As long as you can organize, mobilize a group of other crypto holders with their own wallets, you guys can buy same time, invest same time, or sell same time, or whatever. So much so that your group or your scheme is so big that you can influence the market. I'm sure you guys would be called a whale as well, you know, according to what they're saying here. A quick one as we finish off this video. I repeat that line: anyone can become a whale, although whales are typically large hedge funds and investment funds. Whether you're interested in buying cryptocurrency now or you want to learn as much as you can before speaking with your broker, knowing the lingo is a good first step. So before you invest in it, as I've been saying, knowing these terms will help you understand it even more before you even invest. So welcome to Crypto, guys. Thank you so much for plugging in. I'll put this article, I'll put the link of this article on the link on the description, and it comes from fool.com. So I keep learning from different, I keep learning different articles. I keep learning as I go. I keep learning these words as I go as well, because I hear them quite a lot. So I hope this video will help you understand these words better. And because they're coming from somebody you're familiar with, Usmuda, it'll probably encourage you to even go learn faster than I'm learning. Go listen to other podcasts, go buy courses, read, learn. I can't stress that enough. Learn before you give your money to anybody, because otherwise they're going to scam you. Welcome to Crypto.